Hello, I just got this new Oyster shell and grit dispenser for my chickens. So it comes with little instructions here. Looks like I need to put this thing together. They actually come with the screwdriver and some screws. And so let me put this thing together and show you what it looks like. All right, I got it all put together. Let me show you. It was real easy. There's just 3 screws that go on the bottom right here. And that screws in. And then when you go mount them, there is a little hanger here. So they give you a couple screws. If you want to screw that into a wall or something, and then hang them on that spot there, or you can zip tie it to the cage or whatever. I'm gonna go put them out back and let's see how the chickens like them. That's what it looks like. They have you just fill it on the top and then it just comes down to the bottom. So the chickens are liking their new dispenser. If you guys need a oyster shell and grit dispenser, I would go ahead and get you this one. This is gonna work out good for me. Thanks.